Hi guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So I just got done filming this Get Ready With Me. So it's a really quick makeup look. I used some new skincare. I used some new cosmetics that I haven't used before. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So when my face is really breaking out, I just opt to go with the Cetaphil bar soap because it is so mild, there's no scent to it, and this is the one thing that helps clear out my breakouts 100%. And I'm just washing my face and pat drying so I can have a clean canvas. So I'm trying something new out. So I picked this up from CVS. This is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub, and the scent has kind of like a cocoa butter scent. And I will mention that this product, I love how grainy the product is because this is an exfoliator. So what I love is that it's gritty, but it's also moisturizing. So I think that there's probably some sort of like coconut oil in it. But what you want to do is go ahead and add this to cleansed skin and just cover your whole entire face. And what's really cool about this product is you can also use it as a lip scrub as well. So I love that this product is meant for your face, but you can also go ahead and use it on your lips. And I'm pretty sure you could probably go ahead and add this onto your feet as well, or any other parts of your body that you would want to go ahead and exfoliate. So all you do is add this to your face, and then you want to go ahead and rinse with warm water. So I actually found this product really easy to use and pretty gentle to the skin. And this morning I woke up and I had no reaction to this product. So I absolutely love it. The only negative of this product that I would say is that it did leave my face feeling pretty greasy. So it took quite a few different washes of the face to get everything off. But I think that that's probably just the coconut oil that is in this product. But overall, I thought this was a really nice product. Okay, so now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Hydra Genius. So the one thing that I was not liking about this product is that there is no SPF in this product. I wish they would have just added a liquid SPF in this because it would have made it the perfect moisturizer. But make sure you put an SPF on your skin if your foundation doesn't have SPF. I did not like the scent of this product. It reminded me of like a men's fragrance, and I don't like things to be scented with the exception of the Watermelon Glow recipe. I don't mind that one being scented, but I did not like the scent of this one. But I absolutely loved the moisturization that this product gave, and I even added it onto my ears. I basically added it everywhere. Don't forget your neck, you guys, and the décolleté. Okay, so before I go into my makeup, I want to talk about these Essie nail polishes. They are life, you guys. They dry in about 5 minutes, and the color is on point for fall. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I let my skin set just a little bit to really get the moisture sucked into my face. I don't know if that even made sense at all, but I'm going in with the Maybelline 24-Hour Wear foundation. So I picked this up for my recent CVS haul. It was about $11.99 at CVS, and there is a Saving Star offer. You can get $3 back on Saving Star. There's that $3 instant coupon. I didn't get any Maybelline manufacturer coupons, so I don't know if they were there. But I really wish this foundation had sunblock, but it doesn't. And you guys were asking, how do you color match your skin? So for me, I just go off of the color of my arms because I run outside, so I want to make sure my body matches with my face. And I really loved the application of this after the Hydra Genius moisturizer. It just glided on really well. So I found this foundation to be full coverage, and one thing that you absolutely want to do is make sure you're blending into your hairline and make sure you are blending down your neck, especially if your face is lighter than your body. So that's my trick. I always make sure I blend in with my neck, and then I always get my ears as well. Do not forget your ears, you guys. But I thought that this foundation was beautiful, and my color match was perfect. So now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's not that I love this concealer, I'm just trying to use it up. You could go with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. You could go with the Age Rewind. That's a really good one from the drugstore. I'm just trying to use this up. So I always highlight my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and under my eyes. If you do use the Shape Tape, be very careful with this concealer because it is a very thick concealer and you do not want to put too much under your eyes because then you're going to have, you know, cakey under eyes, and that's just not cute. So I'm using a damp beauty blender. That's the key to not getting any creasing under the eyes that I am finding, is making sure that you're using a damp beauty blender because that just makes all the difference in the world. Do not go in with a dry beauty sponge or beauty blender, whatever you use. I always use the Real Techniques because you get 2 of them for less than the cost of 1 of them. So now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is for under the eyes, and I've been using this for the past 3 weeks and I am in love with it. Definitely, I think that this is a product that you should definitely splurge on. I've tried some of the drugstore translucent powders for under the eyes, but this one just gives a beautiful finish and I would highly, highly recommend it. Definitely cash in your cash in your gift cards for Fetch Rewards or Ibotta, and definitely treat yourself. You can find this at Sephora. I'll leave it linked below if you guys are at all interested in it, but I highly suggest you do. So I'm just baking under my eyes to let my concealer set, and then I'm going in with the Physicians Formula brow pencil. So this is the brow definer, so I'm using the spoolie just to go ahead and comb my brows out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add the color gel on. Speaking of Ibotta, they just sent me an email. Ibotta is reminding me that I need to redeem some receipts. So this brow gel, you just need to use a very little amount. So I'm just filling it in just a little bit. I really don't even know what I'm doing here. I need to hit up my girl at the Anastasia counter so she can help me out with what exactly I am doing. I'm actually going to go and see her and she's going to teach me how to contour. So I'm excited about that. So now it's time to wipe away the translucent powder. So I'm just going to set everything in here. So I'm going to set my foundation and set the concealer and just blend it all in. And then I am going back in with an oldie but a goodie, but the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I love this stuff so much. It is the perfect bronze shade for my fair complexion. I absolutely love it. I probably think that this is my favorite bronzer out of all the bronzers that I have used. So I'm just going to go ahead and bronze where I want that natural sun-kissed glow. That's the whole point of bronzer, is to bronze your face up as if the sun naturally did it itself. And don't forget the neck. That is so, so important. And just blend everything in so that there are no lines. And then a lot of times what I'll do, if I just don't want to do a full-on eye look, I'll just go ahead and add some of the bronzer into my crease, and it just makes a beautiful transition color, and it gives your eye a little bit more definition. So I love that you can use this product on your eyes as well. You could even go in and use this as a blush also. So I was cruising the cosmetics section and I found this Lash Sensational Serum. So what this stuff is supposed to do, you want to apply this morning and night. And you want to apply this before you apply any mascara in the morning time. And you want to add a coat on, but you want to make sure that it dries before you put any mascara. And I guess it's supposed to boost your lashes, help grow them. I'm not really sure. This is my first time using this product. And I know that these products sell for a lot more, some of the expensive ones. I think you could even get like a prescription from like your doctor or something. I don't know. The scent is all right, but this did not burn my eyes at all. It didn't give me any eye irritation. I woke up this morning and my eyes are not swollen. So anytime I try a product and I don't have swollen eyes, then it's a good product in my opinion, because I have such sensitive skin and like everything makes me break out in a rash, but this did not. So I'll let you know how this works out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add in another color onto my lid because I was feeling like I needed to add a base color. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. If there's any eyeshadow palette that you guys should splurge on, definitely get one from Anastasia. I absolutely love her palette so much. I have the Modern Renaissance and I have the Soft Glam. I don't know if I have any other of her palettes. I might have one from like back in the day, but that one's probably ready to be recycled because it's super old. And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paradise Blush. I love this color so much. I tend to go for more nudes in the fall time just to have a warm look on my face. I'm just adding a little bit on my cheeks. Something that you need to be very careful about these blushes is they are super pigmented, and I would rather have a overly pigmented blush versus a blush that has like no pigment. So you need to be really careful with this one, but I absolutely love this blush. I've been using it for about a month, so next time a L'Oreal deal rolls around, definitely spring and get it. But if you don't have a CVS around you, I'm going to link everything below that I'm using if you just want to go ahead and just shop this video and just shop online and, I don't know, maybe get it from Target or something, because Target tends to have less expensive makeup prices, or even Walmart. Definitely try Walmart too. And you probably could add cosmetics into your Walmart grocery pickup. So if you want $10 off, I'll have a code below if you want to snag some of this makeup and then just get it from the grocery pickup and you can take $10 off. I'm always thinking ahead for you guys on how you guys can save more. And then I just went in with the Twinkle highlighter from Benefit. It's one of my favorites, so I just added that on the parts of my face I wanted to highlight. And then I'm going in with my favorite mascara. It's the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. This is in black. It's my favorite mascara. I will never use anything else. Well, I do use other mascaras, but I always go back to this one because it's just so freaking good, you guys. And I do sell Mary Kay, so if you ever want to purchase any, just send me an email and I will get that to you. Maybe I'll do like a mascara, maybe a bulk mascara order. If you guys are interested in me doing an order like that, just let me know, because I like to only do orders for Mary Kay about 4 times a year. So now I'm going in with the Physicians Formula lip set, and this is awesome. So it's $14.99 at CVS, and even if your CVS doesn't have it, I'm going to link the set from the Physicians Formula website, because for 15 bucks, this is such a steal. So if you love the formula like I do with Physicians Formula, you're absolutely going to love this too. So I went in with this raspberry color, and I love deeper colors for the fall time, and that's why I went with a more neutral makeup look, because I knew I wanted to do a very popping lip color. So what I love about these lip colors are, one, they're very moisturizing. Their color payoff is excellent. The color that you see in the tube is the color that comes out on your lips. And sometimes some cosmetic brands, they'll have a color in the tube and it won't actually be that color when you swatch it on your hand or swatch it on your lips. And these dry pretty matte. It's more of like a semi-matte, so there's a little bit of gloss, but not a lot. But my favorite part about these is that they are so moisturizing and they do not dry your lips out. Not at all. So anytime I have a berry lip, I always like to go in with some sort of black eyeliner. So I just use black eyeshadow. So I get it to the closest I can to my lash line, and then I'll just flick a little bit out of it to create a small little wing. And I just think this is such a classic and beautiful makeup look. So my life right now is dry shampoo. I love it. The Nexus is one of my favorites, but just to add a little bit of volume to my hair that is falling out because of postpartum hair loss. Oh, I am so insecure about this. So if anyone is a Monet consultant, please send me an email because I need your help. I need your help. I need some sort of like regrowth formula or something. I'm still taking my prenatals, but yeah, my hair is falling out like crazy, but it's normal. It's a thing. It's a thing that happens after you have babies, unfortunately. When you're pregnant, they give you this full and beautiful hair, and then they come, and then your hair falls out. So I'm just going in with my basic mom bun. This is like my go-to hairstyle. I call it the mushroom bun because it literally like looks like a mushroom at the top of my head. But yeah, it works for me. I think we're good. And then I'm just adding on my booties. I got these from JCPenney a while ago. So if you're curious about the JCPenney booties, they hold up pretty well. So I love these. So adding some booties for the fall. And this is my outfit. Check out my Target capsule wardrobe if you haven't. I'll have everything linked below if you just want to go ahead and shop this look online, or head to your local CVS and get your extra care buck deals, because there are some great offerings from everything that I wore today. Well, most things that I wore today. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day with whatever you are doing. Let me know in the comments below if you like my get readies with me, and I will keep on doing them because your comments and feedback tells me what you guys want to see and what you guys don't want to see. So hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later.